Hello YouTube. So today what we're going to be doing is setting the motor into the car and seeing what kind of clearance issues we have with like the exhaust, or maybe if the oil pan still hits on the rack and pinion or something. I mean, which I don't think so, because these motor mount kits should already work with it, but just to see. And then I kind of just want to put it in just to see how it looks. I'm kind of excited to put this in already, so just want to see how it's gonna look. So probably be getting to that in a second. There we have it, guys. The engine is in the car. So happy to see this thing in the car. Honestly, even though, you know, the mount kit is for this engine to this car, it just looked like such a big engine, compared to what was in there. Even though what was in there was kind of big too. The VG is a little big with all the turbo stuff, but this just looked like a massive engine. But it looks like it fits in there pretty well. Pretty good clearance on the back. Maybe the only thing we might have issues with is the exhaust manifolds to clear the steering shaft. But you know, once we get there, we'll address that issue. And it looked like the oil pan might still be touching the rack and pinion, but from what I could see, it looks like it's just a small little bit that we could probably grind away and get it to clear better. Also, with this the trunk harmonic balancer, the crank pulley, it's real close to the sway bar. So I don't know what I'm gonna do there yet, but yeah, this might work still. Maybe we could do something about the sway bar. But yeah, there it is, guys. It looks real nice in there. Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna end this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.